Welcome to the October edition of our Market Wrap. My name's Simon Pintado from the Buxton Real Estate Group. A fantastic month for real estate. It was National Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We are gold class sponsors at Buxton. We had pink auctions obviously throughout the month and raised awareness, raised some money for a wonderful cause. So thank you very much to all of our clients who entrusted us with the sale of their home throughout the month of October. But let's get stuck into the crux of it. There was an average clearance rate of 80% for the month of October. The cash rate, I should say, from the banks remained at 1.5%. Obviously that's fantastic in terms of the government and the banks also having faith in our economy and obviously the strength of the economy. The real estate market, fantastic. It has been bubbling away and there has been some super phenomenal results throughout the month of October, which is obviously what we expected. I feel like I'm on repeat, but over the last few months, we have had a reduced amount of stock actually on the market, which has then resulted in a lot higher clearance rates on the market. So obviously the demand is here. We're on the home stretch now for Christmas. There's 6 weeks until Christmas from today. So there is a mad rush for people that are wanting to get onto the market and obviously get sold prior to Christmas, which is also creating a sense of urgency for buyers out there in the marketplace too. So maybe let's give you a little bit of a snapshot as to what were the highest results in both the 3204 and the 3165 postcodes. Well, I think we'll start from East Bentley this month. We had number 2 Mulsanne Lane in Bentley East. That was a beautiful family home on a compact block. It was almost like a townhouse sized block. That property sold under the hammer for a whopping $1.68 million. The next was number 58 Draper Street in Ormond. It was a large block. It was some 720 square meters, a beautiful family home. That sold for $1,845,000. We also had number 16 Glenorm Avenue in Ormond. Funny sale, that one. That was a property that had been sold to a developer. Unfortunately, it fell over some 6 to 12 months following the sale. We were then entrusted with the sale and we auctioned that and sold that backing onto the train line for $2,020,000. So massive result, some huge results over the month of October, and certainly the high-end market's still performing. I've actually personally found that the 2 to 3 bedroom villa unit market is probably the hottest market that we're having across Melbourne at the moment. Perhaps a lot of people looking to downsize, or perhaps a lot of young professionals looking to buy, sit on, rent out, or even renovate is probably one of the hottest performing markets that we are having or that we're finding across the Melbourne market. But one really great result that I wanted to mention to you, it was one of our pink auctions, number 37 Oakdean Crescent in Carnegie. It's a property that actually is very close to the train line, very close to the new Skyrail that's coming onto the market. This is why we go to auction. It's why in an auction market you put property under competition. There was a reserve on the day of $900,000. We actually received an offer on that property of $935,000 prior to auction. We ended up auctioning that property. The person that offered $935,000 was the underbidder. So they missed out on that property by $1,000, but it sold for $1,168,000 for a 3-bedroom single level unit, obviously in Carnegie. So massive money for that property. We might actually put a little snippet of the video at the end of this video for you to see obviously how it went, but that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching. Obviously pushing forward now into November, December. It is a bit of a mad rush between now and Christmas. If you are thinking about doing something this side of Christmas, you've got a week or so left to have a chat with me. Otherwise, if you are thinking maybe Feb, March next year, there's plenty of time obviously prior to Christmas. But thank you again for watching. My name's Simon Pintado from the Buxton Real Estate Group, and I will see you next month. 1,153,000. Gary, last opportunity. Need to know. One more. It hurts everybody when they need to stretch. 65. 6. I'm going to let you have a moment to think about it. Think about what you're buying. Built by the owner, for the owner. Cathedral ceilings. Own block of land, 3-bed, 2-bath, 2 cars off street. They're unique and they're popular for a reason because people don't build them like this anymore. At 1,166,000, 67, 8. 1,168,000, 3 more times and it's gone. Once in, twice in, third and final call at 1,168. No late bids can be accepted. You sure, Gary? We're selling. Selling. Sold. Congratulations. Welcome to the neighbourhood. Congratulations to our purchasers. Commiserations to our underbidders, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for your attendance and your competition, and have a fantastic day.